Great morning, everyone. Welcome to Minami Residences. Again, my name is Mary Rose Santos and I'm a real estate professional based in Cavite. Let's proceed with our house tour today. Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot na ang budget is within 4 to 5 million? Are you also looking for a house that is corner lot or end lot unit? And finally, are you looking for a modern Asian-inspired home? This unit might be for you. Welcome to Minami Residences. Minami Residences is coming from the Japanese term Minami, meaning south. That is mainly because the location is located in General Trias, Cavite. And one of the best feature also of Minami Residences is strategic location. Ang ating location po is along Arnaldo Highway. Kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng house and lot in General Trias, Cavite or malapit sa Daang Hari Road, yun atin pong Minami Residences is along Arnaldo lang po. Hindi siya dulo ng Gentry. Napakalapit lang din sa Calax and we are 4.5 kilometers and that's already like 5 minutes lang nasa toll entry na ng Calax. The land area of the project is 25 hectares. The location is along Arnaldo Highway, specifically in Barangay Santiago, General Trias, Cavite. In Minami Residences, we offer one house model which is called the Hana House Model. Now, I will show you bakit nga ba worth it bilhin si Hana Model. The unique features of the project is that Minami Residences, bigger lots that allow future expansion dito sa Minami Residences. Pwede nyong isagad yung inyong expansion hanggang sa property line at walang limit on the setback. Basta within your property line, expansion is allowed. Next is open spaces inside the development. At dahil isang modern Asian community, ang ating mga open spaces ay marami. And third unique features is access to Metro Manila and the South. This is the house model that we offer here in Minami Residences. And ito po si Hana Model. Hana means flower in Japanese word. Welcome to Hana Model here in Minami Residences in General Trias, Cavite. This is the actual turnover for a Hana Model. This is a 2-story quadruplex or a quad home. Pag sinabi po natin na quadruplex, 4 po ito na bahay na magkadikit. This is just the 2 house at sa likod meron pong 2. Yan po yung actual turnover natin. Ang kagandahan ng ating quadruplex house, it give you an illusion na parang single attached. Dahil meron kang carport sa gilid, may extra space ka sa gilid at harap. At sa likod, meron ka ring space dahil may laundry area at service area. Si Hana Model ay fully expandable. This is the sample of the dress-up unit na expanded. Ito naman po yung actual, and ito naman po yung dress-up. Later, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung expanded version. But first, pag-usapan natin ang actual turnover. Again, si Hana Model ay may lot area na 80 square meters. Yung property line would be from the firewall hanggang sa harap. And meron ka din 2 carport hanggang likod yung property line natin. Ang ganda ni Hana, especially yung kulay niya, this is a modern Asian inspired and yung kulay na ginamit ay medyo cream and brown. Ang maganda sa kulay na ito is aesthetic at magandang tignan at hindi nakakasawa. Yun atin pong Hana unit ay fully painted ang labas and this is the modern design of the house. Our roofing is made of painted GI sheet roofing at kasama na rin po yung mga canopy sa windows. Silipin naman natin ang loob ni Hana Model. By the way, Hana Model has a floor area of 54 square meters and it has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and a provision for 2 carport. Yun atin pong main door is made of metal or steel door. Kasama na rin ang lock set upon turnover. Yung flooring naman po ay is made of smooth cement finish and yung walls are painted white finish. And yun atin naman pong mga windows are made of aluminum powder coated sliding windows. Yan. Napakaaliwalas ng loob dahil sa mga malalaking windows na nagbibigay ng natural light and ventilation inside the unit. So this is your dining and ito naman ang kitchen. And also modern na rin ang stairs. We call this tubular stringer. Normally, sa mga modern na bahay, ganito ang mga stairs. Sa ground floor, ito po yung turnover ng ating toilet and bath. May kasama na rin po itong tiles, lavatory, toilet bowl, shower, and may outlet na rin po nakasama for water heater. Dito naman sa kitchen area, may stainless sink with faucet. Naka-tiles na rin ang countertop, and may kasama na rin cabinet. And actually, pwede nyo pa itong mapa-improve, and depende po sa inyo kung paano nyo ipipwesto yung mga appliances. And ito naman po yung ating laundry and service area. And kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng bahay na around 4 to 5 million price range and hindi mo na kaya ang single attach, kumuha na po kayo ng Hana model before mag-price increase. And on the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. Okay. And ang kagandahan dito, may space pa for hallway. Hindi agad bedroom ang bungad pag-akyat. We have bedroom number 1. All bedrooms may sliding windows. May provision din lahat ng kwarto para sa aircon. Yung door ng Hana is very basic. PVC doors, pwede nyo po itong palitan ng kahoy. And this is the master bedroom. And isa ito sa nagustuhan ko kay Hana. Yung corner window na made of glass, perfect ang view. At ito naman ang third bedroom. Sakto lang ang space niya, kaya kasya ang double size na bed. May provision na rin for aircon. Okay. Ito naman po yung ating toilet and bath na may tiles na rin po nakasama, lavatory, shower fixtures, and toilet bowls. Welcome to Hana, here in Minami Residences dress-up model. Ito yung dress-up ni Hana. Bago po tayo pumasok, makikita nyo na yung unit ay expand na both ground floor and second floor. Dito, makikita nyo na kaagad yung provision for 2 carport. Kung kanina sa actual turnover, nasa harap ang ating main door, dito naman sa sample dress-up, nasa gilid. As you can see, nasa harap na yung sliding door for your lanay. Pwede nyo rin itong palagyan ng fence and gate upon turnover, also mini garden. Tara at silipin natin ang dress-up model. Again, yung property line natin hanggang dito sa likod. Wow! Di ba lumaki na siya? Ayan, ito ang dress-up model of Hana. Ang laki ng effect nung na-extend yung unit. Ang laki ng naging living area. And dito naman ang dining area. Pwede nyo ito maging guide for future home improvement. I-check nyo po itong model house. Kung kayo po ay interested, you may contact me sa descriptions box below. This Hana unit is pre-selling. And habang nasa pre-selling pa po tayo, avail nyo na po yung presyo na 4 million. Huwag nyo na pong hintayin ng next year kasi number 1, kapag naubos na po ang units na 4 million, definitely magkakaroon na ng price increase. Wow! Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na upon turnover, pwede natin gawin ito and ma-maximize pa yung space. Tulad nito, naglagay sila ng built-in cabinets, naging L-shape na rin po yung mismong kitchen countertop natin, and then nagkaroon na rin po siya ng divider. So, pwede nyo po itong gayahin or maging guide pag nagpa-improve kayo ng kitchen. Tara, silipin naman natin yung second floor. Tignan natin kung paano nila napaganda yung mga bedrooms. Wow! So nice! Ang ganda na naging layout. So this is the bedroom number 1. Ang ganda ng naging layout. Napaka-cozy and relaxing yung vibes. And this is the toilet and bath sa second floor kapag naayusan na siya. Ang ganda! And this is the second bedroom naman. So, ang maganda dito sa second bedroom, napalaki niya yung space. So, nagkaroon pa ng isang bed. So, perfect to para sa magkapatid na babae. And finally, ang ating master bedroom. Ang laki ng improvement dahil nadagdagan ng space. So dito, kasya ang king size bed. At dahil nga ang tagline ni Minami Residences is a home that grows with you, perfect ito para sa ating mga growing families na naghahanap ng malaking space and pwedeng mapa-improve in the future and mas mapalaki pa. So, Hana unit might be perfect for you. Now, let's talk about the sample computation for Hana model here in Minami Residences. This sample computation is based on the bank financing, and this is for a regular lot of 80 square meters lot area and 54 square meters floor area. The total contract price is 4,082,400. Dito po sa TCP, kasama na po dito yung processing fee sa bangko at transfer of title cost. For the reservation fee, ito po yung una nyong babayaran if magustuhan nyo po yung ating Hana model. This is 25,000 pesos. Ang atin pong reservation ay deductible sa total equity, and ang atin pong total DP which is 15%, that is equivalent to 587,360. And then your monthly equity for 24 months, that is equivalent to 24,473.33. Now, for the bank loan or yung bank loanable amount, this is developer assisted. Si developer po ang magpaprocess ng loan in behalf of the buyer, which is 3,470,40 pesos. Ito ay maaaring bayaran ni buyer up to 20 years to pay. At ang monthly amortization is 29,468.28. Thank you so much for watching my house tour for Hana model here in Minami Residences. Kung kayo ay interested at gusto magpa-tripping or magpa-reserve ng unit, you may contact me on the descriptions box below. Once again, I'm Mary Rose Santos, your property specialist based in Cavite. See you on my next video.